Hey everyone, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mini piñata pulls out of toilet paper rolls. If you've never heard of a piñata pull before, basically all it is instead of hitting it with a bat, there's a string at the bottom and you pull it and that's how the candy comes out. So I did bunnies because it's almost Easter and it's springtime, but you can make these toilet paper rolls into anything you want. I'm going to show you how to do it now, so let's hop to it.
First, you'll need toilet paper rolls. Paper towel rolls work too. Simply cut them or leave them long if you prefer. Now, if you wish to get that piñata feel, you'll need some tissue paper. Steal a piece out of the bunch and we're going to fold it. So first, you're going to fold your tissue paper entirely in half. Then we're going to fold it again to the left and then fold it one more time up so that the open side is facing you. Now you're just going to take your scissors and snip some cuts. You want to make little fringe. This is the piñata-like feel. Now we're going to cut that whole side off like this. And then you just want to make a snip at the end and turn around and you'll see that you have a bunch of layers of fringe. Some might be a little long, that's okay. You can just cut it directly in half and it will be the perfect size for your tissue rolls. Now you're gonna get out your hot glue gun and starting from the bottom, you're just gonna layer the fringe from the bottom to the top. This can be messy, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of want that festive piñata traditional-like feel. Go ahead and keep layering till you get to the top or the middle or wherever you wanna stop. I cut some bunny ears using my Cricut, but you can use scissors and paper, you can use felt, you can use anything fun you could find around the house. Pipe cleaners would be cute too. And I am attaching those with the hot glue as well. Now it's time for the eyes. You can definitely draw eyes. They don't need to be googly eyes, but I think googly eyes are cute. So I'm gonna take a couple, put them on there. For the nose, I'm using a pom-pom, but I think a pink bead would look cute too. I'm using this braiding cord I found for the whiskers of the bunny and attaching it with hot glue, but again, you can use wire, you can use string, anything you could find that could resemble a whisker. I got these cute felt stickers at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be a cute enhancement to the piñata, so if you have any cute stickers, definitely add them on. Now I'm taking a piece of string and sticking it onto a piece of clear packaging tape that's big enough to cover the bottom of the toilet paper roll. There are many methods to this pull part, but the tape worked best for me. It all depends on what kind of candy you have. Heavier candy would need a stronger base, and lighter candy wouldn't need something as strong, but generally I like tape the best. Definitely experiment before you make a lot of them. Now for the fun part, adding the candy to your piñata, plus any confetti or glitter, or a little crumpled paper like I'm using. I suggest putting the candy in before any kind of confetti or paper, so it's the first thing that comes out when you pull the string. Now get out some ribbon or string, because you need to hang it. I'm using hot glue because when you pull the string, you don't want the piñata to completely fall, so you need something very strong to hold it up, and hot glue seems to work best. Add a cover to the top if you wish, and your bunny is ready to rock.
That's all you have to do. You can even make monster bunnies like I did. And I made one for my dog too. If you make mini piñata pulls of your own, please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see them too. I'd love to see how your little buns turned out. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed so you could see more crafts by me. Have a happy and healthy spring and I'll see you next time. Bye!